Hello, today we are going to learn about what are the JSON predefined functions were there in a PostgreSQL. Okay, so in earlier video we have seen about JSON, when to use the JSON data type and what is the format of JSON data. So this all we have seen, right? So now we will learn about the predefined functions. So before going to the topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Let's start our topic now. So before executing our functions, I'm just selecting the table. So which data we have in a table. Okay, just check once in a product table what data we have. Okay, so here we have a product ID and product description. Okay, if you see the product description, we have a key value as a laptop and value as a Lenovo, and key is the specifications, and there is a object type of values were there. So now if you try to execute the JSON functions which are already predefined JSON, and then if you just give control and space bar at a time, just after that you will get all the predefined functions. See here, JSON aggregation and JSON build array, each extract path from the text and object keys, everything. There are lot of functions were there. You can see each and every function as per your requirement. You can just try it out, okay, so that you will get a data. So now for example, I'm just taking what is the type of the value, okay, sorry, yeah, key. So that I will just show you, just JSON type of, okay. So inside this I'll pass the parameter later on. Now so from which table we have to get the data? Product table, right? So just select the product table. Okay, here we will just pass JSON data type. What is the column is there, right? Product description, and see here we have a another key called specification. Just I'm passing this specifications. Okay, so this what is the data, value we have for specifications key, right? So that we will get it. What type of data we have. Okay, so it should get object, okay, because the type of data for type of value is assigned for the specifications is object, right? So just see, for 4 columns we got a object. If you want to see for a laptop, we will get string only, right? For Lenovo, HP, these all values we have assigned for the laptop key. Just see string. Why here we got a null? Let's see the data. You see here we have laptop and the mouse. If you want to see the mouse, then if it matches it will show you the string, remaining will be null. Okay, see here, this is the way of executing the JSON type of function. Okay, it will get the whatever the key is there, right? What type of data we have, that type we will get it. Okay, JSON type. Now we will see the another function called JSON underscore. Okay, so here what are the object keys were there, that we will just try to retrieve. Okay, just give object keys so that you will get it from product table. Okay, so yeah, now here you need to pass a product description, and then you just have to give the specifications, because this is the object type, right, which we have a data in that, which have a value for that key. So it will get what are all the keys were exist in this particular object. Okay, so we have to get, let me explain this, what output we will get. Okay, see here, for the specification key we have an object data, right, object value. So inside this, what are all the keys were keys were there, right, that all we will get it. Okay, which means RAM color for 4 columns we will get, and the 4th one is wireless or wired, and that color it has to come. Let's execute this. See here, exact data we got it, right? So this is the meaning of object keys function. And the other thing is, let's see about JSON each. Select JSON and score each. So each column it will get from product. Okay, so here I'll just take a product description column. Okay, now just execute it so that you will get some idea. See here, what are all the JSON data type, right? These all laptop, Lenovo. This is the key and value. So this all we will get. If you just see the each text, okay, then only text format it will come. It will ignore the quotations. Let's just execute that. Okay, text. Here the product. You see, the quotations were gone, and these one specifications, right? Already this is the object, right? So it will come in the object form only. Okay, so this is the another function. And if you want to see here JSON type of, right, for specifications we have seen in the earlier. Inside specification again we have a we have other types, right? Let me execute this. See here, inside specifications we have a RAM and color, right? So we wanted to get the type of this key. Okay, inside object we have again keys, right? So we need to get nested key type. Then how to give it? Just give. I just wanted to get the data for color. Just execute it. See, sorry, 1 second, wrong name. Okay, so yes, we have missed it. So just try to execute it. See, we got a string, which means color data type. What we have, right? What type of we have data in a color key, so that we will get. For till specifications, if you execute, you'll get an object type. Okay, so these are the few functions which I explained. I hope you understood well. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Also keep on watching my channel. Thank you so much.